Casa Andina. Hi. We have just arrived to Casa Andina in Sacred Valley in Cusco, and thought we would show you the room. King size bed. Small table. Another bedside table. I don't think I can show you much outside because it's dark. Television, desk area, a cup window. And a closet area. Like an indoor-outdoor block carpet. Looks new. And tile floor in the bathroom. That is it. They're good at, here in Peru, having the switches sideways. If you're from the United States, you'll think that. And I will still show you the outside, even though it's dark. Small terrace. Well, I don't think that we can see anything. The next terrace over. Terracotta roof. And a look back at the room. I also wanted to show you the ceiling. Logs, painted. And I didn't show you that there's a full-length mirror on the opposite side of the closet. Here's a daytime picture of our balcony. View, our balcony view. And a daytime picture from our front door. It's early morning, yes. Over there is where the restaurant and bar are, and the reception desk. And these are all small cabins. What did he call them?
Bungalows, I think he said.
Bungalows to stay in. And there's the mountain where we came from. We're on the second floor. We have some umbrellas here. And then each of these, all the way down, steps down, there's another room to stay in. And that's what that one is, right next to us, and the one beyond it. I'm not sure how many buildings there are. We're number 8, so I think there might be 8 buildings, because there's number 1, and they wrap around in a circle all the way to number 8. I'm not sure that a lot of people come here and need wheelchair accessibility, but you do need to be able to sometimes pull your suitcases. So this is a ramp, and these are the stairs. The water fountain. Here, there's some women set up. And right now they're not uncovered yet, but they sell items from Peru. So there's the bar, reception, small store. Beautiful wall hanging. Looks like they just cleaned everything out here. So this is the front entrance. Selection of wines. And the restaurant. Well, the honey can't be any fresher. Any more fresh. What do we have here? Saltado. Right here next to the lodge, and I stepped outside the doors to the restaurant. There's the courtyard. So that's looking back in at the bar. I don't know if they're getting ready for a wedding or something here. Setting something up. And playground for the kids. Oh, there's even a garden. Our guide did tell us that there was a garden with some of the local Peruvian vegetables, just so that we could see what is grown here in Peru. Thanks for watching our video.
Like and subscribe
to see what's next.